InSite Elevation Pro provides 3D surface area for any region of a takeoff. Select the pond footprint, and both the 3D surface area and the cut and fill are instantly provided. Easily calculate any item where a 3D slope area is required. In this example, the retaining wall footprint is selected in plan view from the 3D takeoff. Enter the wall details and enable the slope area. Elevation Pro calculates the entire vertical face of the wall. InSite Elevation Pro is modern, affordable, easy to use, and designed for those driven to improve.